Hello! Love to see you all back here. And the new viewers, welcome. Welcome to our platform, The Purple Box. Suji ka halwa. We all know about it. We love it. We will know how to make it in the most easiest possible way. Yes. This is one of my most favorite dishes and my kids love it too. Let's check out the recipe. Welcome to The Purple Box, the place where we cook very easy dishes at home. Quickly subscribe to our channel The Purple Box if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to like this video, share and comment so that I know what you're expecting from me. Here comes the ingredients. Suji or semolina, we need it, of course we know. Some ghee. A list of the quantity of ingredients are given at the end. Handful of cashew nuts or kaju, cardamom or green elaichi, the small ones. Crush them coarsely so that we can have this beautiful aroma spread all throughout the dish. Sugar. Now I have used 1 cup of sugar for this particular quantity of suji ka halwa. You can add more or less. It's all about your personal taste. 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water. You might need a bit extra water also. Take a pan, heat the ghee in the pan, and then goes the suji or semolina into the pan. We will fry the suji in the ghee. Remember, the temperature of the flame or whatever heat you are giving should be really low. Otherwise, suji burns itself. Now, what you have to do is, you have to keep stirring and fry the suji with the ghee on the pan. This is the only way you have to do it. You can't leave it just like that on the pan. Then the suji will burn itself and it will not taste good. You have to keep frying the suji on the pan with the ghee for around 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, it's boring, I know, but that's the process. So you have to do it. And gradually you'll find that the white suji is turning out to be a darker color. Like, it's an off-white or maybe on the brownish tone you can say, or a light beige. It gradually changes color. And now you add the sugar from the top and then again stir and mix it very well so that the sugar caramelizes gradually along with the suji while doing this frying process. Remember, this is after the 7 minutes of frying of only suji. After that, again 3 to 5 minutes, you have to run the spatula and fry the suji with the sugar, where the sugar will receive the heat from the pan and gradually caramelize in a very light way. Now in between you add the cardamom, the crushed cardamom, and then fry with the suji and sugar. See, with the sugar getting caramelized, the suji has become more brown in color. After that, add the milk and then mix it all well, and we will go to the next step. Now we add the water. As I mentioned earlier that the quantity of water might change. Though I have mentioned it as 2 cups of water, but I have used 4 cups of water. So this is the consistency you have to understand. The semolina has to go below the layer of fluid. The quantity of water depends on many factors like the thickness of your utensil, the size of your flame, the intensity of your flame, and many other things. And after that, you cover it and let it cook at a very low flame. As I said earlier, Again, I'm repeating, the whole dish will be cooked on very low flame. See, small bubbles have started coming. It's boiling. It will cook for another 5 to 7 minutes now. So after every minute, you just open the lid, reposition everything, stir well, and again cover it. Repeat it 3 to 4 times within this 5 minutes before the suji ka halwa is ready to go to the plates. Yeah, now check the consistency. This says that you need another half a minute of cooking and it will be done. See how the bubbles pop up? Be very careful, they're very hot. And at the end, put the cashews or the kajus and then again mix it so that the kaju get mixed into the suji ka halwa. Yes, and it's ready to be served. Isn't it very easy? Well, now it's time to check out the ingredients. Do something. Take a screenshot of this page so that when you prepare it later, you have it ready in your hand. Now the suji ka halwa has jumped into the serving dish. I just love it. Can't wait to have it. Do try it at home. It's the easiest sweet dish or the dessert that you can make. Yummy, tasty. Try it and write it in the comment section how you could do it and how your family liked it. Till then, take care. Bye.